In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google AdSense to YouTube 2026. Quick note up front. What we're actually doing here is linking your YouTube channel to a Google Ads account so you can run ads and share data between the two. People often say AdSense by habit, but AdSense handles creator payouts, while this process connects Google Ads for advertising and reporting. With that clarified, let's get started. Begin by signing in to YouTube using the Google account that owns or manages your channel and also has access to your Google Ads account. Once you're in, click your profile picture in the top right and open YouTube Studio. This takes you to your channel's backend where all the linking options live. In Studio, look to the left sidebar and open Settings. In the Settings window, choose Channel, then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll until you see the option to link a Google Ads account. Click the Link Account button to start the connection. You'll be asked for an account name and a customer ID. For the account name, type a clear label you'll recognize later, like the brand or campaign name. This is just for your reference in Studio. For the customer ID, enter the 10-digit Google Ads ID exactly as it appears at the top of your Google Ads interface, usually formatted with dashes. Double check that there are no typos or extra spaces. When that looks good, click Done and Save. That sends a link request from YouTube over to your Google Ads account. Now switch to Google Ads. The fastest way to find the request is to use the search bar at the top and type link accounts. You can also open the Tools menu and go to Data Manager or Linked Accounts depending on your interface. In the list of available connections, locate YouTube. You should see a pending request from your channel. Open it, review the details to confirm it's the correct channel and ads account, and then approve the link. Once approved, the connection becomes active. If you don't see the request right away, refresh the page, make sure you're in the correct ads account if you manage multiple, and verify you use the exact customer ID in Studio. After linking, you'll be able to run video campaigns more effectively and share engagement data. If your goal is getting paid for your channel's content, that's a separate AdSense setup through the monetization tab in YouTube Studio. That's it. You've successfully linked your YouTube channel with Google Ads and you're ready to move forward with your campaigns.